Poop, fart, shit.
How controversial.
Huh?
Do you agree with him?
Mount Rushmore.
Yes, yes, of course. What else could it be? That is where real men live.
Yes, Mount Rushmore.
Jumpy, has at any point in time your parents think you're sped?
Nope.
Alright, I can believe that.
His parents
My dad has
consider
accused me of being a drug dealer.
Oh, I'm your dealer.
In elementary school.
Yes, of course. Where else would I do
Yes,
drugs?
of course.
Remember when the Lightning Road had coins in it?
Yesterday.
Yeah. It doesn't have coins anymore for some reason, which sucks. They really didn't do anything, but it was cool to see that the creator of the level was like still alive.
What do you think the guy who created the Lightning Road's doing right now?
Eating a banana.
Probably like making out with some dude.